Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number, ooh. Um, gosh, what number are we on right now actually? 5? 6? No, 7. Tutorial number 7 of the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette. So the last one I did a little bit more, focus on Sahara Stun. Sahara Stun with the pink lemonade match sticks shimmer sticks. But today I do want to do another smoky look with Suck It To Me. I don't know if I want to do the gray in the crease because I know I did Fez Up with Nuts and Dates in the crease. That came out pretty cool. I think I might. But here we are, tutorial number 7, going strong. I did really enjoy. Ooh, that one is left out. I don't know why. This color corrector. Was it this one? Yeah, I did love this color corrector under the eye. I did enjoy the. I do think this is my perfect shade for right now, but since spring is coming up, I feel like I need to go a little bit deeper, but I do not need to spend any more money on makeup. I have plenty. But there's always room for more. So let me go and prep my eyes and we will get into this smoky tutorial. I really need to clean my brows. I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright, so the eyes are prepped. My lips are really dry. I got a little too much in my Vimpers. Also. So I think for the first and foremost, Shisha Smoke, I'm gonna go in with Shisha Smoke. I think Moroccan Ice I will go in with first and try to shear that out as much as I can. Because this actually has a iridescent pink type of shift going on. It actually kind of reminds me of iridescent pink 003 from the Pat McGrath. But obviously the one from Pat McGrath has more of that flip, where this is like a subtle hint. Oh, this is so beautiful. So icy. So Moroccan ice. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Alright, so that is on. I think it's best we start perfect with that first. Next, let me go in with this one. Going into the shisha smoke. Shisha, Shelly's better shisha type of thing. And then we're just going to focus that more on the outer. Smoker sound. Ooh, this is definitely going to be smoky on both sides. I've really been digging using these as like eyeshadow application lately. Don't know why. Just experimenting. And I need to figure out if I want to keep these palettes or just go and get rid of them. Well, not get rid of them, give them away after I use them. Because I don't think I'll be reaching back into this again after I... Well, I do want to get to a point where I just start creating looks and then doing what needs to be done. Because I know the Sephora Pro palette that I have has these the cool tone one has these shades for sure. But it's just nice to do a palette focus to see how much depth we could really get and how many looks we could get within the palette. Alright, going into this fluffy brush, just really into the crease. Get that smoker thing going. And I do love a good cool tone smoky look. This gray kind of reminds me of the gray from the Makeup by Mario, his new palette he just released. So this is how far in advance I'm doing these videos, because the new Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette just released, the cool tone one. So did it just release? I think it did. Perfect. Oh, so nice. Smoky. Actually, let me go back in with a fluffier brush. No, let me go with my finger. We're gonna go into the Suck It To Me. It's almost like a oil slick type of black. Ooh. Oh, she's saucy. She's definitely saucy. Just use the finger. This kind of reminds me of like a James Bond type of, you know, Bond girl type of thing who has to go undercover. Or the villain. Turns out she's a villain. And they always have like a smoky eye for some reason. Oh, this is so beautiful. This actually really is nice. Like for real, just use the fingers. Oh, especially if you're in a pinch and you just gotta go, or you need to clean your brushes, or vice versa. Ooh, this is really, I like this. Especially when we did the nuts and dates smoky look. Also, I did love that one. I was really feeling myself when I was taking the pictures. She's saucy. And I think that is it for this tutorial so far, because I'm just going to go ahead and permagel liner and extreme black, most definitely, and mascara, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then you guys will see the final look in a few moments. So this is the final, well, let me fix the mirror here, look. Tutorial number 7. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, life building up. And look at that. Life wear. So tutorial number 7, the Moroccan spice. Pardon. So what, we just use Moroccan ice, shisha smoke, and Suck It To Me for this look. I went ahead and just did a little bit of the Suck It To Me as well on the bottom to connect to the outer side. I mean, this is very annoying. Don't know what it is. But, is that an eyelash? I think it is. Look number 7. I'm really digging this palette again. Glad I still have it. Foundation is still the Skin Glow Forever by Dior in 3N. Bronzer is Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty. A highlighter is actually going to be... What did I use for a highlighter? Here we go. Actually used Mean Money today. I went a little bit more subtle rather than the high shine. Blush is a combination of NARS's Outlaw mixed with the Dolce Vita is how I got this blush moment. So more of those mauve. It's like definitely mauve, a little bit of, definitely really mauve and plum, but this is very light on me because I'm getting tanner, so I needed to amp up the look. Not the look, but the color a little bit more. Brows are with Becca. Lips, I'm actually really digging this lip combination right now. Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner Love Trap with Pillow Talk. I do love this combination. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. Set with the Dewy Setting Spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Stay all day, party all night, or something like that as well. But so far, tutorial number 7 is really coming through. It's really gorgeous. I was gonna do like a really good contour, but I just want to focus on the eyes. And this definitely quite a bit of pigment. I do love the eyes. So far, this palette is actually catering to what a little bit of neutrals. You really got your warm, but then you also have your cool tones. The cool tones in this palette probably aren't the best selection. I do think the cool tones in this one you really need to play around with to figure out your level of intensity, dramaticness, that type of thing. The warms I'm starting to realize on this palette is starting to look all the same when you start to do these looks. But these two rows are definitely the ones that really give it a little bit more depth, a little bit more sauciness and coolness. But for how many grams? 0.9 grams of product. And there's one 0.7 gram. So 0.9 grams of product is quite a bit, to be quite honest. So far, it's lasted me quite good. But as usual, you could go to my Instagram page to see the final edits. And I will see you guys next video. I'm really loving this lip combination. That is just so gorgeous. And I wanted to keep the lips a little bit more neutral because I wanted the focus to be more on the eyes. Oh, she's just, with my eye shape, especially hooded, smoky eyes type of looks are just always the best. Because it really brings out the brown in my eyes. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next video.